Welcome to my house, you guys! Good morning, chatties! Today we have a very special episode. I'm gonna be showing you guys my daily lifestyle here. So in the morning, I just wash my face with like the coldest water. Cold water helps like tighten my pores, so I just feel like it's a really good way to start your morning. I'm gonna start my skincare. So here's where I keep all of my skincare. I'm a pretty skincare maximalist. So this is all the products that I actually use. I actually have it sectioned by products. So the first product I'm gonna use is this LANEIGE Cream Skin. This is like super creamy and milky. It's super moisturizing, which is perfect for my combination skin. So I've been loving this cream skin. Next is a light vitamin C serum. Tap, tap, tap. I'm gonna go into the Radiant C cream. It's literally almost gone, but no worries, I literally have a brand new one. I always have good products that I like in stock. I'm a huge vitamin C girl. Sometimes when you get a dark spot like this, you're just like, oh, I hate, it's fine, like it's gonna go away anyway, so just continue on with the products that you know works and it's not a big deal. Right, so my skin is ready and let's get out of here. Beauty+City. Welcome to my house, you guys! Here are my little PJs that I'm wearing. It's teddy bear and it's super comfortable and loose. My cute little slippers. And for the top, tight, but not uncomfy tight, but comfy tight. This is my living room. I like to keep things very minimal, so I just put everything that I see into like these little cubbies. I really like how it's a very like open space. Here is where I placed the artwork by Miss Carson. It's always looking at me. When I'm sitting here watching TV, it's just staring at me. Here is my kitchen. A lot of space for storage, and let me just show you something that I'm really proud about. Obviously not that much food, but we have all the drinks, the cognac jelly, and if we go this way, we have the bedroom. I never wear my pajamas outside, and if I do, I will never wear that to go to bed. I always keep this next to my bed. Oh my gosh, I forgot my lip mask, and get up and put it on and get back to bed. So here's my second floor. This is actually where I do most of my filming. I usually have my ring light up here. So now it's time for breakfast. I'm gonna show you a realistic habit of mine. I like to eat something sweet in the morning. Coffee and something sweet in the morning is my 삶이다. I can't go a day without eating something sweet. Let me know in the comments. I would love to see what you guys eat for breakfast. And you just go up like this and try to stay as consistent. You're obviously gonna shake, but just repeat and slowly and go back up. So it's a really good leg and ab workout. Beauty+City. This side is where I organized all of my makeup products and hair products. Today's makeup theme is Y2K, so we're gonna do a very fun makeup style. So we're gonna start with base. Priscilla's little favorite products. I've been using this LANEIGE Neo Foundation. This is kind of like a new makeup tip. By adding this, it did really cover more of the redness I have around my nose area. Foundation is done. I use a brown eyebrow pencil because it softens my look. We're gonna do some contouring. The end of my nose look a little cuter and pointier. Additional makeup tip I do when I'm filming my videos. Crazy pink today. Okay, that's actually not bad at all. Today I'm having a good eyeliner day. I always go crazy with the blush. Spread it out with my fingers. Spray it on. My makeup is now done. Beauty+City. So this is my OOTD. It's very Y2K. I'm wearing this set here. What do we think? And the best part of Y2K epitome is this bag. Isn't it so cute? Let's just go. I'm gonna be showing you guys a bunch of my favorite hot places, which is called hotpul in Korean. My favorite thing about Seongsu-dong is that there are so many pop-ups that come and go in this neighborhood. There is a post on Instagram and there's always something going on in Seongsu-dong. What I'm seeing right now is a store, a cafe. This is nudake. It's been pretty popular because of Blackpink's Jennie. I really love their desserts. This is the hottest spot in Seongsu-dong. It's called the Dior Seongsu. It's so crazy. I heard Blackpink's Jisoo came here multiple times. Every time I walk by this street, there's always people taking photos. So the last place I'm gonna share with you guys is a super cool flagship store that I recently discovered. All right, so I'm at this store called Soupy and I'm gonna try to find the most Y2K fashion pieces here. So let's have fun. I love beanies. Alright chatties, this is my look number one. What do we think? Brought these two color combinations together. Faux leather pants, super stylish, super comfortable. I think it's cute. What do you guys think? This is a very elegant, it would just be like a modern, cute set look, but these sunglasses definitely bring back the 2000s. This is probably my most American Y2K interpretation. Green pants, purple headband, a navy cute top. This looks like something Blackpink Jennie would wear. Beauty chatty. So in 2 days, I'm going back home to visit my family back in the US. So I already packed my bags. Any little packing tips that I use because I travel a lot. I like to keep everything in a little package and I pack my shoes individually like this. You don't have to worry about them smudging on top of each other and making them dirty. Inside I did put underwear to save space and it also keeps the bag in its shape. We have my ring light. It's huge, right? It's actually a stand for my ring light. I need to film my videos. I got my twin brother and I matching hoodies. So I'm bringing back a bunch of products for my mom. This LANEIGE Neo Cushion, I'm gonna have my mom try this out. Hyaluronic cream, it does have oily skin, so I'm gonna have her try out this product. Water sleeping mask, because every time I use this at night and wake up in the morning, my skin feels so nice. This is my makeup pouch. I have 2 more days until my flight. I'm going to pack this the night before. So I'm gonna put my base, lip, whatever here. I'll see you guys in the US. Bye. Hello chatties, I'm home. I'm so happy. I've been spending so much time just catching up with my parents and spending quality time with them. I'll see you guys in the next video with Carson, Joelle, and Bam Bam back in Seoul. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Bye guys!